twisted chain stitch looks more complicated than it really is. A few simple steps creates an elegant result. Once the first stitch is worked, the repeating steps build up a twisted chain very easily. Bring the needle up and draw the thread through. Choose a point slightly below and to the left of your starting point. Catch the fabric diagonally downwards and to the right. You can see I'm using a central line for reference. Push the needle through part way and, taking the thread from your starting point, loop it over the needle. Pull the needle through fully to create the first stitch in the chain. To continue the chain, take the needle down to the left of your first stitch, parallel with the curve of the loop. Catch the fabric as you did before, emerging on the right of the central line and looping the thread over the needle before completing the stitch. Continue to build the stitch up by catching the fabric and looping the thread to form the chain. You can see that the twist develops as the chain gets longer. You can use the needle to adjust the tension in the stitches if they're not all the same size. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.